Holy moly.
Game fish, you can't buy it in the store.
Look at that.
You can't buy it in the store. Like the freshwater bass, you can't buy freshwater bass in the store.
It's just chilling there.
Good. Good.
That's a good one there.
Yeah. I still will get your leg.
That's all. Patience.
That's life though.
You got no patience.
Wow. That's
that gator?
crazy. Yeah.
Oh, that's nothing, man. This one out here 15 feet. See
15
that gator
feet?
right there? Yeah. This one out here 15 feet.
15 feet. Wow.
That's nothing.
That still looks scary, man.
I don't care how big it is. I don't want to deal with it.
Yep.
Huh?
Bigger than that. It's probably 5, 6 feet.
There's one out here 15 feet. They just took it on lady.
Let me see if this camera can get it. Wow. Can't believe it. It's right there.
Her older friend was kind of, she couldn't do anything.
So this lake is full of gators. Like they're everywhere.
Yeah.
Man.
Got,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex and this is all you need to know now. And today I'm gonna give you a small bike tour right here in Kissimmee Park, Lake Park. And we're gonna drive around with the electric bike that I have. This is the one I have over here. I think it gets me about an hour of bike riding. It's the Mac Wheel Line 16. It's pretty good. Takes like about 1 hour to charge. Small wheels, small tires. The only most uncomfortable thing is this seat. It's a little uncomfortable, but it will do the job. I got it on Amazon for like about $400 or $500 like 2 years ago. It was a gift from my son right there, this guy. And he's gonna let me use it to get you a nice video tour of this nice beautiful park here in Kissimmee, Florida. Look at what a beautiful day. It's drumming over there, a lot of activities. And yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna strap this GoPro right here, my chest. Hopefully you get a nice view. And let's get this party going. All right, I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Numero uno.
Here we go. First, let's see how fast this little bike of mine here can go. This is full speed. Oh no, wait. This is full speed. Woohoo! Yeah, boy. Okay. Let's go see the fire. Not the fire. The lighthouse. One thing you guys must know, there's alligators everywhere. Look at it. Oh, it's the gator right there.
Yo, you see that gator?
Holy moly.
This is special.
Whoa.
Small gator.
I saw one, a dead one by my house, like this big.
Get it up.
Ain't by your house?
Yeah, by my house. Holy moly.
Game fish, you can't buy it in the store.
Look at that.
You can't buy it. Like the freshwater bass, you can't buy freshwater bass in the store.
It's just chilling there.
Good. Good eating.
That's a good one there.
Every life,
Yeah.
Gotta
I
have
still will
patience.
get your
Gotta
leg.
have patience, that's all. Patience.
That's life though.
You got no patience.
Wow.
Oh,
That's
that gator?
crazy. Yeah.
Oh, that's nothing, man. This one out here 15 feet. See that
15
gator
feet?
right there?
Yeah.
This one out here 15 feet.
15 feet. Wow.
That's nothing. Man.
That still looks scary, man.
I don't care how big it is. I don't want to deal with it.
Yep.
Huh?
Bigger than that. It's probably 5, 6 feet.
There's one out here 15 feet.
The turtle over there.
You don't want to mess around the floor. Don't mess around
Thing
the
you have to
floor.
realize,
Any ponds, ditches.
I don't care how
do that.
good you swim, you can't outswim this.
No way.
Huh?
They just took it on ladies.
Let me see if this camera can get it.
Yeah. Just go, she walking on
Wow.
her dog.
Can't believe it.
That thing
It's
came up.
right there.
Her older friend was trying to, she couldn't do anything.
So this lake is full of gators. Like
Yeah.
they're everywhere.
Yeah.
Man.
They got
About
people,
second
man,
one
who
we've seen
trained every time the gator take somebody.
Ah.
These people come out.
Oh.
Go in that water and get that same hit on them.
Well, they don't have to have me try not to swim.
I know, right? I'm good.
No matter how good you swim, they outswim you. Yeah.
With that tail,
They're a
they're
lot
pros.
faster. They're a lot faster.
They're way faster. Oh, you have a good one now. There's a gator over there. There's a little gator over there. You want to look at it? Yeah. No problem. Alright guys, I guess we're gonna turn it around here because from here on it's just a bunch of chairs by the lake. And here's the kiddie park. a little outdated, but it's good enough.
Eternamente. No tiene que trabajar para siempre, pero sí ahorra un poquito. Para mañana, para pasado.
It's alright, no problem. You guessed it, there's gators here too. Thank you.
That's it.
Baby. And there you have it, guys. That's the end of the tour. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.